Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add location on Instagram posts after uploading. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! One thing I love to do on Instagram is search for a location far from my home in other country and see what people are doing, what fun are they having, what food are they eating, and what styles are in for that area. It's a reason that I'm so happy Instagram locating tagging feature exists, and luckily it's not only benefit for my wanderlust, but it's also benefit for business trying to put their location on the map, literally to attract a new crowd. And what if you just accidentally upload your post without add the location? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to add location on your Instagram post after uploaded. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile. You can choose on the post that you want to add the location. I will choose this one for the example. Now you can just tap on the three dots on the post on here. There's an option edit. You can just click on that. Now, as you can see on your profile, there is an option add location. You can just tap on that. And here's you can you can add your location. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner here, checklist. So it will turns out like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add location on Instagram posts after uploading. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!